Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can turn backup on for Google Photos on mobile devices. So let's get right into it. The reason why I'm saying mobile devices specifically is because it is not available on computers or on PCs in general, so you won't be able to do it for those. You can only do it on Android and iOS mobile devices, so I'll be explaining how to do it with the steps on this support article. So let's get right into it. Now, these steps are pretty much the same for both systems, and what you need to do is just open up your Google Photos app, go into your account and sign in, and tap on your profile picture or initial. From there, you need to tap photo settings, which has this sort of gear icon next to it, and then go into backup, and then you just turn backup on. Now, on iOS, you might need permissions to do this, and the way you give the app permissions is you go into the settings app, tap privacy, and go into photos, and from there, you just turn on Google Photos, and that should give it the needed permissions to pretty much turn backup on. Now you can also check if backup is complete, and to do this you just go into the Google Photos app, go into your account, tap on your profile picture, and then the progress of your backup is measured by how many items remain to upload. When everything is finished backing up, the status reads backup complete, and if your backup status is off, it'll just read backup is off, and that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.